Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hi everyone. So after we learn on how to differentiate exponential functions, so in this video we will learn on how to differentiate the logarithmic function. Right. So before we go with the complicated logarithmic function, we should know how to differentiate the natural logarithmic function for all value of x. So we know the natural logarithmic function is ln x. So if we differentiate with respect of x, what we get is 1 over x, right? So the natural logarithmic function of the form of y equal to ln fx, where fx is some function of x, can be differentiated using the chain rule, right? So the same with like exponential function. So let y equal to ln u here. So ln u. So where u is equal to fx, then if I differentiate y with respect of u, I will get 1 over u. And if I differentiate u with respect of x, I will get f prime x. So by using chain rule, I will have here is dy over dx equal to dy over du times by du over dx, where dy over du is 1 over u and du over dx is f prime, right? So the u is actually fx, so we just substitute the u back. What we get here is f prime x over fx. So therefore, if we differentiate ln fx with respect of x, what we get here is f prime over fx, right? So here, this one, we call it a properties or formula, right? So now we know that to differentiate y equal to ln fx, we got two methods. The first one is by using chain rule. The second one by using properties, or we can call it a formula, right? A formula, right? Let's go with example, right? Differentiate the following with respect of x. So for question y equal to ln 3x, so for this one I will use chain rule, right? So to use chain rule, so let y equal to ln u, where u is equal to 3x, right? So differentiate y with respect of u, I will get 1 over u. And if I differentiate u with respect of x, I will get 3. So by using chain rule, so we have dy over dx. We want to find dy over dx. So what we have here is dy over du. So you only have to find times by du over dx, right? So what is dy over du? Dy over du is 1 over u. So you times by du over dx is 3. So what you get here is 3 over u. And the answer that we want must be in the variable of x. So u is equal to 3x. So we substitute u with 3x. And we try to simplify, we get 1 over x. So if we differentiate y equal to ln 3x, the answer that we will get is dy over dx equal to 1 over x. Okay, let's try with another method, right? So properties, right? Properties. So differentiate dy over dx, if we see here is logarithmic function, we should get f prime x over fx. So what is our fx? This is our fx, right? So the function inside the ln. So fx is equal to 3x. So f prime x is equal to 3. And we just substitute into the formula here. So formula here, we have here is 3 over, So our fx is 3x. Right, so you just cancel this on. So we get the answer that we get is 1 over x. Right. Okay. So for this question, so we want to differentiate y equal to ln x squared plus 3x minus 1. So I will use a properties, right? So we want to find dy over dx equal to, so f prime x over fx, because this one is logarithmic function, right? So our fx is equal to x squared plus 3x minus 1, and our f prime x is equal to 2x plus 3, and just substitute into the formula. So f prime is 2x plus 3 over our fx is x squared plus 3x minus 1. So this one will be our answer. Right. So for the last question for this video, so we have y equal to ln x to the power of 4. So as you can see here, so ln x to the power of 4, this one we have to use power rule. So what is the power rule, right? So the 4 going up, going down, minus 1, and differentiate what is inside, and then we get the answer, right? So we have dy over dx straight away. So this 4, bring it here, so get 4 here, and ln x. So 4 minus 1, we will get 3, right? And differentiate ln x, we get, so x here, and differentiate x, we get 1. Right? So the answer that we get is 4 ln x to the power of 3 over x. Right? So this one should be the answer. Right? So this is the exercise that I give it to you. So try it by your own. So good luck, and I see you on the next video. Thank you. Bye.